Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Abena, and today welcome to my channel. So today is a no makeup day. I just want to show you guys my new camera. I'm so excited. So today I'm unboxing my new camera. It's a Canon Eos M100. I'm so excited. So in this box it comes with the camera. I have my lens and this SD card, the manual, I guess, cleaner, I think. I have this, I don't know, and this one. I think that's what we use to clean the camera. And it comes with a stand. I'm so excited today. What I love about this is I can see myself whilst filming. I love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to film with this camera. I was using my phone, so now my phone can breathe. So guys, this is just a quick video just to show you guys my new camera. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.